Hello guys, it's me. I just reminded you. Yeah, if you're calling me, I'm cool with Dylan too. Please subscribe channel. Yeah. What? Yeah, I know. With the fans thing. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I wish I can also get. Okay. I'm already recording. Okay, that's another. Yeah, so what else? Oh shit! I just think about what if Tristan were here or Charles. That's weird.
Wala naman rin sigat.
No, you mean let's just play and stay inside because there gotta be monsters in the dark once dark comes. Oh wait, are we going? Are we on the trip? You know, I don't know where to go to. I was just jumping. Oh wait, yeah, they're bringing on a plane maybe. So let's just stay on the camp. I'm just gonna sit here. I just think about what. Yeah, I know. I just think about what if Charles were here. I guess this will be. I know. I know. I'm not laughing. That was my brother laughing, and you just think this is me? Sometimes I'm not laughing. I know that's so sad. I feel sad for Johan. I mean, I feel sad for Charles. Like, I just think about.
Non-stop.
I didn't stop record. Okay. Wait,
Here,
nope, I'm not slow stopping.
look the elevator.
Okay, so let's just find a house or something. Let's stay on the blue one.
Here,
I want to
look
stay in
at
the
the
blue one.
food.
I don't know what to do. Once the night comes, you get ready because you're about to die. It's like Minecraft. Just wait until it's became night. Once, okay,
Ready.
okay, I'm gonna stay here. Why? Oh, oh no! This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. It's already night. I'm getting scared, bro. It's already night. It's bad.
Here.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna tell some stories. Where are you? I'm missing.
Here.
Oh wait, where's Johan? Follow me.
Not
Oh wait, you're in on the house or something or the tent?
seven.
Oh, oh my god, I just go to the girls' room.
God, my
Okay, I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared right now. Oh, stay here! Oh shit! I just saw fuck! I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. I'm getting parkour. Oh yeah, I'm following you too. I'm getting fucked up. I'm about to get in. I'm about to get in. Yo, and I'm with you. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. I'm not a pro at this. I'm just a noob. What? My head was stuck. Look, my head is stuck. My head is sleeping. Okay, I'm just gonna bow. Oh, how can I even bow? What? I'm just dancing like a bro. Okay, I don't want to go. What? Hello. Roti Kaan. It's a bit nice. Oh my god. My brother's nice and he's not that bad, but he's not that crying. He's not that. Oh yeah, I don't know. Okay, his name is. Yeah, no, yeah, Franz Jerry. Okay, it's about to fly. Get prepared. It's about to be thrown. Oh no, the sun's collapsed. Goodbye. I don't know. Oh my. You know the one with what is Johan? Do you know the one with the Star Wars thingy? I feel bad for him. Can you hear your mom? No, just get the thingy. I don't know. Maybe they were just camping or do whatever. Oh yeah, part 20, Daniel. No, I'm still feeling this one. Johan, okay for me. Johan, what do you think the next game that we're gonna let's finish. Let's play camping tools on the next video. Camping too. Wow. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the tent again. I don't wanna die. Okay, now I'm just gonna leave. It's out on the next video. Like and subscribe to Johan's channel. It's me, Joe was taken, and subscribe to Assassin 98 too.